So hi guys, welcome back to our trade vibe community. So I'll be just doing a small recap on gold, what we really expect this week, that is probably from tomorrow, and we also have CPI this week. So definitely I will be doing the technical part of it, but during the CPI I always communicate on what we really expect. So here we can say let's start with the higher time frame, so that we can have at least a clue of what happened. So guys, you can remember that the other week we had this push, and it really formed a big deal. So the major supply zone is around 2070 to 2080. So generally you can be able to spot that we have a sort of a bearish trending phase, and we also have a small trend like structure here. So if you are trading on a swing, you might also be looking for these trade to probably obey these trend line over here. So this means that you are expecting a probable sell to even maybe 2020 and below zone. So this is most likely probably this week or the other week. But if we also have the CPI selling, you might be able to see it go down that way. Also on a higher time frame, which is a daily time frame, you can see the major zone or the major selling zone, which was this was the major selling zone, the 2050 zone to 2100 zone was a major selling zone. So you can also expect gold to sell all the way down to maybe 1990s again. That is probably by the end of the month. But yeah, definitely there will be pullbacks. That's why we have to check the lower time frames, which is like an hour. You can check what the 1 hour tells us. You can see that after the NFP news, we had this sell and then an impulse buying, retesting the zone, which is the 2060 zone. So because the zone is already retested, expect a small selling up to 2000 and let's say 35 to 30. That is when the market opens tomorrow on Monday. But during the London session, you might see gold also buy again to 2050s. So that is what is most likely. Let us check what the 30 minutes time frame tells us. Again, a good pair to trade during the London session is always GBP, GBPSD. If you are good in GBPSD, definitely I always share at least a few scalping entries during the London session on GBPSD. During the London session, GBPSD usually move with a lot of pips. So you can expect the movement tomorrow with gold. Also expect gold to really make some movements during the London session, but the good time to always trade gold is always the US session. If you are sharp enough, you are able to capture good pips. So you can see this was the zone that was tested, that is the 2060 zone, and the probability that we will be having a sell back to these zones, which is below 2020, is most likely. So if you are able to use good lot sizes and hold, you are at a good position to scalp and hold gold tomorrow. So most probably is a sell, but during the London session you might witness gold push upwards just a little, just to gather a few buyers, then chew the accounts. So you must also understand when is the right time to trade gold and when is the right time to avoid trading gold. So you might witness a small buy, probably to back to 50s, so that many people can buy at this zone. Once they buy, gold will be selling. So that is the psychology you need to understand with gold, and it is a simple strategy. And one other thing that you really need to learn is when to trade gold and when to avoid gold, because sometimes gold is really manipulative. So you really need to understand when is the right time to trade and avoid gold. So you can really see that apart from the gold selling, it has been also been buying. So you really need to understand when gold is trying to hunt the stop losses. So that was the short recap and the explanation. So if you have a question, don't forget to join our free Telegram community. I will have the link pinned on the comment section and on the video description too. So have a lovely weekend as we wait for the market to open. Again, before I forget, guys, if you're a new member, don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment. A comment is really vital. I appreciate all the comments, and also give the video a thumbs up button, that is a like.